turn the phone.
Bro, oh no. Is it a trick?
No, this is an actual phone.
Oh, press that.
What's that?
The middle button?
I don't know. Close.
What is this?
I don't know how to do it. So I'm trying to push this circle John on the 5, and it's like not doing it. Okay, it doesn't turn that way. What's that? It's broken.
It works.
Some days, we just need to get rid of all of those old limiting beliefs. Other days, we just need to learn how things worked in the first place. That's right.